You gotta move, RJ.
RJ, get with the program. You're making a mess. I'm gonna cut the line. Yeah. This is what not to do on the osprey. Follow your fish.
Follow your fish, Junior.
Hey, go here and catch your fish. Oh, okay. You guys gotta move around the boat.
Whoa. Take it easy.
Close the wheel, sir. Remain calm. Breathe in. Yeah, don't forget to breathe. You pass out, you're on your own.
Watch that hook, Junior. Pull it.
That's little Andy hooking them. You hook them, you take them home.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Now he's going back the other direction. Now he's going back the other direction. Here.
Back over there, Junior. Everybody's got these rods in there.
It's okay. You're gonna have to lift your rod tip up. Lift your tip all the way up. Lift your tip all the way up.
Go over there. There you go. Thank you, Colin.
Captain Tommy over there missed the fish.
No, you didn't miss it. You just got bait. Move these rods, please. You need to go that way.
You got to go around. Go around.
These other ones are.
Excuse me, folks. Excuse me. Go. We got a rookie on deck. RJ, can you handle that fish or what?
Yeah, I got him.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We need Keenan over there to help you out. Cause she's got
Bigger than you.
no comment.
Come on.
Breathe, Junior. I forgot how. Fish on.
Get him, Dan. Get him. Get him on the boat, Dan. Gaff it. Holy moly, get the gaff. Somebody clank.
Bonita red.
Right ahead. All right, this is it.
Oh, very nice.
That's called a Bonita. And RJ, hey Keenan, Lieutenant Dan and RJ. What kind of fish is that?
Bonita.
Very Bonita.
Nice, Greg.